So, Tumai is afraid of the laundry basket, and we're going to see if he'll go in there once we put treats down. Get him, Tumai. Get him.
Get your treats.
Tumai. But he's afraid. All he has to do is flip that thing over, and he has him. Get him, Tumai. Get your cookies. Go on. In the basket.
Get it. Get it.
There they are. Look at all of them. Ooh, yum. Tumai, get your treats. Don't suck. Go get them. I'm gonna get him. Oh. He can almost reach. Get him, Tumai. Get him, Tumai.
He's digging underneath it.
Get it, Tumai. Go on.
Ooh.
Go on.
Come on, Tumai. Ooh, right there. Look at all of them. Get him, Tumai. Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
No, none of them fell out.
In the basket, Tumai. Go on. Get him. Get them. Come on, look. Get him. Get him, Tumai. I'm gonna get him then. If you don't want him, Tumai. Tumai, come on. Poor Tumai. Get him. Use that little brain.
Take it.